Messes happen, and cleaning them up should be quick and easy. That's why Bissell created the little green portable spot cleaner. It provides strong spray and suction for even the toughest stains around your home. Little Green has a compact design, so it stores easily in small places. Plus, it can be stored when it's filled with water and Bissell formula, so it's ready to use on large and small messes, on carpet, stains, upholstery, auto interiors, and more. It's one of our best portable spot cleaners for the price, and it's perfect for homes with our favorite kinds of mess makers, kids and pets. Most messes can't be erased with just a rag and cleaner. That's why Bissell is happy to offer the SpotClean Pet Pro Spot Cleaner. This machine provides superior vacuum-like suction in a compact and portable machine, giving you professional power right in the palm of your hand. It has a large capacity tank that holds 96 ounces of liquid. That works out to more than 2.5 times the size of our next largest tank, so you don't have to empty or fill these ones as often. Plus, we engineered it with a long hose and power cord, so you get extra reach while cleaning tricky spots like stairs, pet beds, car interiors, and area rugs. It's the powerful stain removal machine that every home with pets should have on hand.
Rug Doctor. Clean deeper, feel better. Setting up your Rug Doctor portable spot cleaner and getting ready to clean. Your Rug Doctor portable spot cleaner is ready to start cleaning right out of the box with no assembly required. Follow these simple instructions to start cleaning. First, fill the clean water tank by simply lifting the clean water tank straight up from the unit. Next, unscrew the cap and pull the tube from the tank. Add hot tap water, filling to the clean water line marked on the tank. Do not boil or microwave water. Next, add Rug Doctor portable machine and upholstery cleaner solution into the tank, filling it to the soap line marked on the tank. Insert the tube into the tank, then replace the outer cap and retighten. Turn the tank upright over the sink. Some water may drip from the cap as the tube empties any excess water. This is normal. Reinsert the tank by setting it straight down into the unit and pressing down firmly until it feels secure. Lift the motorized brush from the unit and completely unwrap the flex hose from around the hose wraps. Rotate the cord wrap hooks on the back of the unit to release the power cord. Unwrap completely and plug into a grounded outlet. You're now ready to clean spots and stains on carpet, upholstery, and hard-to-clean places, such as stairs and automobiles. Your Rug Doctor portable spot cleaner has the following innovative features: a powerful handheld motorized brush to clean deep down, 2 times the suction of leading portable spot cleaners, wheels and a retractable handle to make getting to stains easier than ever before.
Accidents happen, but the Hoover Spotless portable carpet and upholstery cleaner is here to rescue your carpets from spots and stains. Just spray, scrub, and suction to remove daily messes with full-size power in a compact design. Hoover's high-performance expert solutions and antimicrobial tools help tackle tough stains wherever they happen. And it's the only spot cleaner with a self-cleaning hose that flushes out dirt and bacteria for a spotless clean inside and out. The Hoover Spotless portable carpet and upholstery cleaner.
Life's messy. That's why Bissell engineered the SpotClean Pro. It's our most powerful spot cleaner, and it's ideal for removing stains from virtually anywhere in your home or car. The compact and portable design lets you take superior stain-fighting formula and superior suction to hard-to-reach spots where messes happen, but full-sized upright carpet cleaners may not fit. When the small, hard-to-reach stains strike, SpotClean Pro is there to help.